Neptune consists of a small rocky core surrounded by a layer of water, ammonia, and methane, with a turbulent atmosphere composed mainly of hydrogen and helium. In fact, significant weather events have occurred on Neptune, including the formation of multiple calm layers, visible cyclonic storms such as the now extinct Great Black Spot, and the fastest wind in the solar system, with wind speed in excess of 2000 km/h. The solar radiation received by Neptune is not enough to provide this energy to the atmosphere, which is why the heat radiated from the center of the planet plays an important role in sustaining these extreme weather events. The small amount of methane in the atmosphere is part of the reason for the planet's blue color. The planet orbits 14 known natural satellites, among which Triton stands out and is by far the largest. Check out the 11 curiosities of this icy planet now. Profile. Winds. With winds reaching 2,100 km/h, scientists still wonder how a cold, icy planet like Neptune manages to have such fast winds. One idea is that the cold temperatures and flow of fluid gases in its atmosphere make it easy to generate winds that move so quickly. Neptune's surface gravity is almost similar to Earth's. Neptune's gravity is only 70% stronger than our planet's gravity. With an equatorial radius of only 24,764 kilometers, Neptune is smaller than all the gas giants in the solar system. Despite this, it is more massive than Uranus by about 18% and the densest gaseous planet in our system. Neptune is the coldest planet in our system. At the top of its clouds, temperatures can reach as low as minus 221.45 degrees Celsius, nearly 3 times the coldest temperature ever recorded here on Earth at minus 89.2 Celsius. Neptune's blue. With a thick atmosphere and composed of 74% hydrogen, 25% helium, and approximately 1% methane. These icy methane particles, along with smaller gases present at the edge of the atmosphere, give its blue color. These blue and white features of Neptune also help to distinguish it from Uranus. Neptune takes about 16 hours to rotate once on its own axis, making a Neptunian day. However, it takes about 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun. On July 11, 2011, Neptune completed its first full orbit since its discovery in 1846. Neptune has 14 discovered moons. Until today, it is not known who actually discovered the planet. Galileo was the first, but he did not consider it a planet, but a star, so his credits were not properly given. In another assumption, in 1781, shortly after discovering Uranus, clues about this planet began to appear when they saw an unexpected invasion in the orbit of Uranus. Due to this, they proposed the existence of another planet whose gravitational field would explain these orbital variations. Already in 1845, the English astronomer John Couch Adams carried out his calculations regarding the position of its unknown planet. But although he submitted his findings to the Royal Society, his work was not met with much interest. With a conclusion very similar to that of Adams, the astronomer Jean-Jules Leverrier. Because their estimates were so close, the scientific community began its search for the planet in the region of the sky that Adams and Leverrier predicted. Finally, on September 23, 1846, the German astronomer Johann Galle observed the planet, close to where Adam and Leverrier's calculations had predicted. Neptune also has rings. In total, the planet has 5 rings, and all were named after astronomers who made important discoveries about Neptune: Gale, Leverrier, Lassell, Arago, and Adams. Neptune has only been visited up close once. The only spacecraft that has ever visited Neptune was NASA's Voyager 2, which visited the planet during its grand tour of the solar system. Voyager 2 made its flyby of Neptune on August 25, 1989, passing 3,000 kilometers from the planet's north pole.